Welcome to another video. Today we are checking the speed of these two fidget spinners. This is lighter and this is heavier than this. So let's start with this. Nice, 3, 2, 1 and go. So as we know, see that this spinner has take a time about 22 seconds. So let's start with this. If this spinner will break the record of this Spider-Man spinner, then this spinner is considered as a winner. And it's break. So this is the winner. This is fastest test. I suggest you to buy these type of spinners instead of these. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.